In this video, I'll be giving you my honest review on Calendly. So if you're wondering what Calendly is actually a booking and scheduling software that allows you as an individual or business or organization to receive appointment and booking from prospective clients or customers. And being one of the most popular booking software that you find on the internet, Calendly goes beyond just booking and scheduling, and all of these are what we are going to be looking at in this video. So if you're actually looking out for one of the best booking software for your business or for your services, Calendly comes highly recommendable. And after watching this video, you have more understanding on if actually you should go for Calendly or not. So before we proceed into this video, if you are new to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe, so kindly take 1 or 2 seconds to click on that subscribe button. Alright, so thank you very much as you have just subscribed, and also don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you can get notified of future videos. So with that being said, now let's head over to Calendly platform and see some of the features and everything that you need to know about Calendly. So right now I'm on Calendly homepage. So to come over to this page, you can just use the link, you find it in the description of this video, or you can just use the one showing up on your screen right now to come over to this page. Alright, so as you can see here, you can start with easy scheduling ahead. Join over 20 million professionals who easily book meetings with the #1 scheduling tools. No doubt, Calendly is one of the best scheduling tools that you can find on the internet. Okay, so once you create the booking page, this is just showing you what it definitely looks like. And then, so if you scroll down to let's see some of the features, you can see it's trusted by more than 100,000 of the world leading organizations. And as you progress, you see that a lot of organizations actually use Calendly. Okay, so that's to tell you how reliable they are. Calendly makes scheduling very simple, and one thing about the interface about Calendly is very easy to set up. Setup process is pretty much straightforward. I was going through one other scheduling software, and seriously, I myself I was very confused. Okay, but with Calendly, it is very easy to set up, even if you are a beginner or you are not too techy. Okay, and here you can see you can connect it with different conferencing tools, maybe with Google Meets. Let's go back there with Google Meets, then Microsoft Team, WebEx, and GoToMeeting. So, and then at the same time, you can also connect your Calendly account with your Google Calendar, with your Outlook calendar, with your Exchange calendar, just to make sure that whenever you're accepting a meeting or booking, they don't conflict with some other bookings that you have or some other appointments. Okay, so you can also set up when exactly do you want to be receiving bookings and the likes. There are different types of events that you can set up, maybe one-on-one, you can see Rubin table, and then group meetings and the like. So it's very flexible to use. You share your scheduling link, so you can also share your scheduling link. And talking about integrations, we are still going to look at it. You can see it has a whole lot of integrations, over 100 of them. We are still going to look at them. Different types of other software or platform that you can integrate with Calendly, just to make sure you have the best when it comes to booking and scheduling. Okay, so these are more features about it. You can also get the browser extension. You can see quickly find and share scheduling links from your inbox, LinkedIn, CRM, and more. Automated workflow, routing form, round robin and collective events, admin management. You can see it. So all of these I'm still going to be putting you through. So after walking you through this video, there's still going to be a complete tutorial where I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your Calendly accounts, how to create some of those meetings and those appointments so that you can start receiving booking an appointment from your clients or from your customers, or for whatever reason you want to use it for. Okay, so we want to talk about pricing. So this is what the pricing currently looks like. There's a free account on Calendly, which is always free, so you can see it here. And then you have the standard, which is about $10 per month, and then the team plan, which is about $16 per month, and then we have the enterprise plan that starts at $15,000. So we are still going to look at it, and in terms of some of the features that you should expect from each of those pricing plan, and to know which of the pricing plan is actually right for you. All right. So right here is giving us a summary of some of the businesses that actually use Calendly. So you can see it here. We have Akawan, we have Onage, we have Texas, that's University of Texas at Austin. So these are some of the businesses that actually uses Calendly, and you can see some of the results that they are getting: 169% return on investment, 160% increase in customers reached, 20% decrease in scheduling errors. Okay, so if you click on any of this, now once you come over to this page and you click on any of these, you can actually read some of this case study and then the reports to see how Calendly has really helped them to achieve all of these results. Okay, so just make, in case you are looking forward to a result like this, then you can just see that Calendly has helped other businesses to achieve it, and then you too should be able to achieve the same. Okay, so now let's look at the, in terms of the integration. Like I said, there are a lot of integrations that you can get with Calendly. So if you look over here now, so you can see we have about 147 integrations, tools or software or other platform that you can integrate with Calendly. You can see 147, which is very huge. You know, I was doing a review on one the other time, and they had only like 10 platforms or software that you can integrate into their booking system. But here we have 147, and in terms of category, you can see it's extension and app, calendar, sales and CRM, video conferencing. So you can see it, video conferencing, marketing. That's where we have HubSpot, MailChimp, Active Campaign, Clearbit, recruiting and ATS. You can see we have the likes of Greenhouse, and all the things that you can actually do with them is what you are seeing in all of this description here. Okay, so then in terms of payments, we have PayPal, Stripe, and then Stacks payments. In terms of analytics, we have all of these: Meta Pixels, Clearbit, Google Analytics, API, email marketing, embedded calendar. So you can see we have your website, WordPress, Squarespace. So what this basically means is that if you create a booking page and the likes, you can easily embed it on every of these platforms that is showing up: WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, and the likes. Security and compliance, Google Suite, Microsoft Suite, and then other integrations. You can see other integrations. You can always work with Calendly. Okay, so you can just take your time and take a look at every of these integrations. Okay. All right, so now let's look at some of the frequently asked questions. I hope this will also answer some of the questions that you also have. So this question has to do actually with those integration, those tools or those apps. You say, what are Calendly apps? You can see Calendly apps let you to leverage scheduling automation wherever you are in the web via browser extension or while you are on the go via your mobile apps. Okay. So this is why are Calendly integration? What are they? How do you install them? Can I request a new integration? Okay. So don't see the integration you're looking for. Let us know new ones are being added all the time. All right. So that means that at the time of this video where we have 147, more integration will definitely be coming up. All right. So now let's look at another thing, which is the pricing. So in terms of the pricing, like I said earlier, now let's pay a close look at the pricing. So here is the free. We have the free, the standard, the team, and then the enterprise. So when you're looking at the free, these are the things that you are going to be getting with the free. One event type, connect. You can only connect one calendar, and then customize availability, add video conferencing. So if you want to do video conferencing, you can get started with the free plan. Customize your booking page, mobile apps. So let me also mention that Calendly also has a mobile app, which is a plus for me. You can easily download the app either on Play Store or iOS. So it makes it easy for you to go through your booking page and then to see some of the back end of your Calendly account without necessarily needing to access it from the web. Okay. So browser extension, and then for the standard plan, this is what you're going to be getting: unlimited events, can connect multiple calendar. So you should expect that the higher the plan, the more features that you'll be getting. Okay, and this is what the price look like on a when it is billed annually. Then on monthly basis, this is what the price currently looks like. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a comparison chart. So where you can compare each of the prices and then you see what you stand to get. Okay. So in terms of integration, this is it. Stripe payments. For the free one, you can't really accept payments, and then you can't really use Stripe and PayPal for payment collection. but from the paid version, you'll be able to make use of that. So in terms of personalization, you can custom branding and booking page. Yes, you can get it across. Option to remove Calendly branding. So if you're using the free plan, then you'll be seeing that somewhere around your booking page, you're going to be seeing Calendly branding. But if you're using for anything from the standard, the team, and the enterprise, you won't be finding all of those branding there. So once you scroll down, then you'll be able to see all the things that you should expect from each of those plans that you're going to be picking. And again, if you are just signing up for the first time, you're going to get 14 free trials, to get access to all of these features, okay, for the first 14 days. So if including the paid features, you're going to get it for free for the first 14 days, okay. So with that, you can use it to test all of this, including the paid one. Then at the end of 14 days, if you didn't upgrade, then you are going to be downgraded to the free plan, okay. And you can also do that without having to put in your credit card. So in case that's of concern to you, I know some platforms, once they offer you 14 days free trial, you have to put in your card details such that you get charged automatically. But with Calendly, you can just sign up, no credit card required, and then you get access to all of those pro or premium features for the first 14 days, okay, which is really, really nice. So you can just come over to the link below the video to come over to Calendly, to click on the get started, and then see what you can achieve with Calendly. So if I should scroll down also, there are also some frequently asked questions. You can see what happened at the end of your free trial. That's what I've just explained. What plan is best for you? You can also come up to the pricing page and then you compare, or you can come over to the page and there's a video that explains the difference, okay. Yes, you can use multiple add-on. What does the renewal process looks like? You can see it here. Paid subscriptions automatically renew for this same subscription period unless you downgrade your plan before your renewal date, okay. So every other questions, you can always get it from their frequently asked question for each of those pages. And then there's also a chat bot that you can also chat with to ask your question, okay. So with that, guys, let me know what do you think about this Calendly platform. If you are currently using Calendly, let me know what are your thoughts. And if you are using other platform and you are considering Calendly, let me know what your expectations are and your experience with the other booking system that you are using. And more importantly, let me know what kind of business or services do you intend to use Calendly for. So all of this, let's interact in the comment section below. And I hope you find value in this. In the next video, I'm going to be walking you step by step how to create a Calendly account, how to create those booking system, how to make sure that you start receiving or start accepting booking an appointment using your Calendly account. And more importantly, you can also, like I said, you can also link it to your mobile app for more conveniences and then flexibility. So guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and with that, I'll see you all in the next video. And don't forget, the next video, I'm going to be leaving a link to it in the description of this video. That was a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up a Calendly account. So thank you very much, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.